Hello everyone, here Dr. Zahid Ansari, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to use JTab pen in a Java Swing program. JTab pen encapsulates a tabbed pane. It manages a set of components by linking them with tabs. Selecting a tab causes the component associated with that tab to come to the forefront. The JTab pane's default constructor creates an empty control with the tabs positioned across the top of the pane. Tabs are added by calling addTab method. The addTab method, it takes two parameters. One is name of the tab and the second is the component associated with that tab. The general procedure to use a tab pane is: first, we create an instance of the JTab pane. After that, we add each tab by calling the addTab method. Once the tabs are added, then finally we add the tab pane itself to the content pane. Now we see an example. This example illustrates a tab pane. The first tab is titled Cities and it contains 4 buttons. They all represent the name of 4 cities: New York, London, Hong Kong and Tokyo. The second tab is listed Colors. It is titled Colors and it contains, this tab, it contains 3 checkboxes, different names of the colors: red, green and blue. And the third tab is Flowers, which contains a combo box which provides a list of flavors. Okay, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. So one of them can be selected. Okay, now how to implement this? For this we'll see the code now. Okay, so we have class over here. Okay, here let me correct this. Okay, yeah, we have class over here, JTab pen. Okay, it extends JApplet. It is an applet class. Okay, and in this we define the method. One is the init method, in which we are invoking the GUI. We have method makeGUI, in which we are creating the tab pane and we are adding the tabs to it. And then we have basically 3 classes we have defined. They are the components which we will be adding into the tabs. Okay, so our first class is the cities panel. Okay, in the first tab we want to add the cities panel, right, which will be having the 4 buttons with the name of 4 cities. So we are defining the class cities panel, which extends JPanel. In the constructor of it, we are creating the 4 push buttons with the names New York, London, Hong Kong and Tokyo. After creating the buttons, we are adding them to the panel. So all these 4 buttons, they are being added to the cities panel. So we defined our cities panel class. Okay, then next we define the colors panel class. This colors panel class instance will be associating with our second tab. Okay, in the constructor of it, we are creating 3 checkboxes with the names red, green and blue, and then we are adding to the colors panel. Okay, so we created our colors panel class over here. After that we create the class flowers panel. This extends JPanel. Okay, in the constructor we create one combo box object, and in this combo box object JCB we add 3 items, 3 flavor, right, vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. So we created the combo box, and this combo box we are adding to our flowers panel. Okay, so now we define three components, right? Cities panel, colors panel, and flowers panel. Okay, in the method make GUI, we are creating our tabbed pane. So new tabbed pane, we created an instance of the tab pane JTP. In this tab pane, we are adding the tabs. So we added the first tab, we gave the name to it cities, and the component associated with is the cities panel instance. So we created an instance of the cities panel, okay, which will create the 4 buttons corresponding to the 4 cities. Then we added the next tab, we have given the name to it colors, and we associated the component colors panel instance over here. Then the third tab, we give the name flowers, and we associate the component that is an instance of flowers panel. Okay, so once we added the tabs to our tabbed pane, after that the tab pane itself we add to the content pane, okay, by calling the method add. Okay, so this creates our GUI, and finally we are invoking this make GUI from the init method, and we call the make GUI on the event dispatching thread by calling Java Swing utilities invoke and method, and providing an implementation of runnable and the method run, and within method run we are invoking make GUI. Okay, so let's run this now. So okay, yes, so it created our applet over here. Okay, so let me maximize it. Okay, so we have a tab pane with 3 tabs, cities, colors, and flowers. Initially the first tab is cities. Okay, in that we have got the 4 buttons: New York, London, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. Okay, then if I click on the second tab, then it displays the 3 check boxes over here, red, green, and blue, right? And then there is a third tab, okay, over here, which has a combo box right over here, which displays vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, right? So this way we implement the tab pane over here. So this finishes the demonstration of how to use a tab pane in a Java Swing program.